Hello everyone. First, I would like to say thank you to ICESTA 2022 for the opportunity to present my paper entitled Business Model Design for a Cathode Material Manufacturer Startup with a case study at PT Polimikro Berdikari Nusantara. This paper was written by Dian Ahmad Pratama Sudian, Professor Wahyudi Sutopo, and Mr. Muhammad Hisjam. Okay, let's get to the introduction. Startup is defined as a new company with the business model based on innovation and technology. They usually have a fast growth and a high scalability. As you can see below, this company have a high value and are known globally in a short period of time. Unfortunately, because their business model is based on innovation and technology, they have a high risk of entering the valley of the dead. This happens when the innovation they offer cannot be commercialized or entering to the market. We can measure the level of technology and market readiness through TRL and MRL, as we can see in the figure. By looking at this measurement, we can consider the effort that needs to be made to escape the valley of the dead. The startup that is the case study in this research is Polimikro Berdikari Nusantara, or can be called PBN. According to our observation, Polimikro has a TRL level 7 demonstration system, where the main reason is that the product has been successfully demonstrated and tested, while the MRL is still at the level 4 small-scale prototype. But the main reason is that there is only two transactions in this research period from August 2021 to June 2022. At least 110 sections are needed to be able to go up to the next level of MRL. And if we look at the National Battery Research Institute or NBRI data, there are 659 researchers, 62 institutions, and 28 corporations engaged in lithium-ion batteries. Then why the sales are still low? This leads us to hypothesize that Polymicro needs a business model. In the study, we will develop a business model by integrating the Business Model Canvas or BMC from Osterwalder and Pigner and the Lean Canvas or BLC from S. Maury. This study uses the interactive analysis model by Miles and Habermas as a data analysis technique. The reason we use this is its ability to obtain the data continuously until the saturation point, so that the data obtained is truly complete and valid. This data analysis technique consists of the data collection, data display, data condensation, and data drawing or verifying. Each process can be discussed in the next slides. Okay, first the data collection. We collect data through observation, documentation, and interview. The object of observation of this research are production floor, office, website, Tokopedia, and Instagram belongs to Polymicro or PBN. And the object of documentation of this research are operation process chart, sales report, X-ray diffraction or XRD test result, scanning electron microscope or SEM test result, and pitch deck belong to Polimikro Berdikari Nusantara. And the object of interview of this research are first the key informants is Mr. Muhammad Nur Iksanuddin as the CEO, and the main informant are Ms. Mintarsih Rahmawati as the CDO, Ms. Sofiril Solikhatulisa as the CMO, and Ms. Mediana Arinawati as the CEO. These are the team and the population of the Polimikro Berdikari Nusantara right now. And we also interview the supporting informants. The first is Ms. Yulaika Aryani as the PUI PT Electrical Energy Storage Technology representative from UNS. And Mr. Yazid Rizal Azinuddin as the customer, and Ms. Hikmah Nur Riki Tulasti as the customer. Next is data condensation. Data condensation is usually used when the data is too large so that it is difficult to display. For example, in the study, it is an interview transcript. So we do the condensation by coding on the block and its implement, which can be seen on the table. Okay, next is the data displayed. The following table is the data that we present in the study to develop the business model, from the company profiles and histories to the interview transcript. For the details of each data collected, we can see in the supplementary data of this paper. Next is the data verification. The data verification was carried out using the triangulation technique by Mr. Sugiono. This technique was carried by comparing the sources of informants and the collection technique to cross-check the data so that the data was valid. For the detail, we can see through the figure. Okay, the following figure are the business model, the on the business model canvas and the lean canvas framework with an interactive analysis model. And to make it more clear, let's see it. Okay. Through this business model, we can see the target market, the business activities, the business strategy, the financial infrastructure, and the core value of the company. And it is hoped that in the future research, the company can apply this business model to find out whether there is an increase on MRL or not. And the conclusion of this research are: first, interactive analysis model can be used to construct the business model. And the second, this paper used the integrated business model uh, canvas, integrated business model canvas or PMC, and lean canvas or LC framework to create the business model that can be used as a guide to reach the market. And this paper has succeeded in identifying the target market, the business activities, the business strategies, the financial structure, and the core value of PT Polimikro Berdikari Nusantara. Okay, that's all for this presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.